Okay, in this video, I'll teach you how to start a video meeting from your web browser. First of all, you just open a new browser, new tab, and you type in Google meet.google.com and click enter. Then it says that camera and microphone are blocked. To unblock that, you just click the icon in the address bar and you click always allow to access your camera and microphone. So you just click that and click done. Okay, and so it will allow your camera to turn on, and then you just start a new meeting. Click that, and you can see that your camera is on. You can just see if you want to turn off your microphone, you click here, or if you want to turn off your camera, you can click here. It says that the meeting is ready, and that's the pin, and that's the dial in. So you just click start meeting, and so the meeting has started. You can copy this information, joining information, and send to people you want to invite. You can invite people by sending this link. You can email them and you can invite them. And I will just, or you can just add people. Click here, and you just add the email or the names of people. They could be outside your contact list even, and you type it in and click enter, and it will come here. You can just make a call. uh, you can just type in the number. Okay, and I'll just close this. And then if you see here, if you click this part, you can add people here. This is myself, and you can see I'm talking here, and that's, you can add people here. You can click that and add people, and you can also click this icon, which is the chat. You can chat with people, send them messages while you are also in a conference. You can type anything you want, and so that's very helpful if you want to, somebody wants to type and ask questions, and they don't want to speak in the conference or whatever. And then this is the meeting details. These are the attachments. So Google attachments will be, Google Calendar attachments will be shown here. These are the details, and so you can just turn off your microphone. You can leave the call. You can turn off the camera if you want, and that's the present. So that's your entire screen, a window. So if you click on more options, you can fix it to full screen if you want. You can go to settings if you want, and you can just have a look and click done. So that's how you connect the through meet.google.com. You can connect the video call.